Welcome to the Prandtl Number Interactive Calculator, which solves for dimensionless transport properties in fluid mechanics and heat transfer applications. This calculator features a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: calculate Prandtl number, calculate kinematic viscosity, calculate thermal diffusivity, calculate from fluid properties, boundary layer thickness ratio, and relate to Nusselt number. For this demonstration, I've selected calculate Prandtl number. The input fields include kinematic viscosity, thermal diffusivity, Prandtl number, dynamic viscosity, density, specific heat, thermal conductivity, Reynolds number, and Nusselt number. Let's work through an example. I'll enter kinematic viscosity as 1.5 E5, thermal diffusivity as 2.2 E5, dynamic viscosity as 1.85 E5, density as 1.184, specific heat as 1007, thermal conductivity as 0.0263, Reynolds number as 5000, and Nusselt number as 120. After clicking Calculate, we get a Prandtl number of 0.6818, classified as low-pure fluids. The boundary layer ratio is 0.8801, with the physical interpretation stating the thermal boundary layer is thicker than velocity. This indicates heat diffuses faster than momentum in this fluid. The Prandtl number is vital for heat exchanger design, aerodynamics, and thermal management systems, helping engineers optimize convective heat transfer coefficients and boundary layer analysis. Accurate calculations ensure the reliability of thermal simulations and physical prototypes, especially in high-performance automotive and aerospace applications where precision is non-negotiable. Find the link in the description below.